What's up, good people? Better Today Trades back with another live trading the Nasdaq future. Running a little late, but we're gonna open up here within about a minute. Um, and it looks like we'll be out and out, but just barely. So we're out between out and out and in and out. Futures rollover this week, so all of the numbers were skewed. So, y'all know we looking for longs above the gray, shorts below the gray, longs above pre-market high, shorts below pre-market low. I'm expecting this week to be a pullback week, either early into the week, the whole week, or late into the week. And we'll just see how things play out. And I got your girl. Put on some music. Alright, so we're trying to get above this gray. As you can see in the pre-market, we got nothing but consolidation. So whichever way we break out of, we could get a pretty good move. Pushing, here we go. Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything. We got 20K above, right above. So 20K is obviously one of the big psychological numbers. Technically, we haven't really touched 20K though. Like technically, because we only up here because of the rollover. Because if you look at the price between yesterday and this morning, or I guess Friday and Sunday, see this is like a 258 point jump. That's all just because of rollover. That's what this green line is, rollover. Ooh. Ooh. They're trying to sell it off. Oh, where's the Dow Wow? There we go. Hello? I'm so down for you. You guys know I'm not gonna take a trade until probably 9:45, 9:50, but looks like down is the way we want to go. I'm meant to love you. Yeah, yeah. I'm meant to love you. Stupid ass students, true, I got truants. Beats my English rap change. Fluent, can't fly, got fluent. I'm fooling. Coolin', waving Nike. Low key, I rock. Alright, we breaking down, touching market low here. Let's see if we breach and retreat or do we continue falling. I think we're gonna continue falling now. So it's looking like we're gonna go short this into the next candle, guys. Say moolah too tough. You got me fucked up, fucking with my mind. Say this ain't no game. Oh god, okay. Some buyers coming in off pre-market low. Let's see if it's sustainable. Fucking with my mind. Breach and retreat here would be crazy. Trendy, now trendy. And the bad bandits or Brandon bandanas banned from band practice. Oh shit, okay. Okay, so it's buyers at pre-market low. Popping back into yesterday's high, last week's high. I did have a run into the bell on Friday. Let's see if the sellers come back in up here. That is a breach and retreat right there. Breach and retreat. Basically, we just broke down this consolidation, the lower level of this consolidation. We broke down and then pushed back up. So if we can continue, especially if we can continue and start making higher highs, that's a breach and retreat. That's a sort of like a trend reversal pattern. We got to get back above last week's levels, yesterday's levels here. Right on, right on. I'm hungry, so your time's up. Wind up, right up. Got my rhymes up, learn some judo, just touch it. I got that, I got that, I got that judo for a bitch. So they're still up here in this level. That is not just 4 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. If it closes green, if it closes above last week's high, that could be bullish. They're not really letting it get up there though. We got 4 minutes though. How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? So let's try to take back control here. Who gets trapped? Which wick gets trapped? You got this wick here, you got this wick here. Which one gets trapped? Stay tuned. Which wick gets trapped within the next 20 minutes? Not really trying to guess which one gets trapped, just want to be aware that one side's going to get trapped, and that's probably the way the trend will unveil itself for the day. I'm just saying. Pulled up on you. Pulled up on you. Just enough. They go to sellers. Stay. My plan is like stay. Yeah. We're probably going down today. We was out and out slash in and out. We just rejected last week's high. We got whoever was buyers down here. If they, as long as they get trapped, they look like they finna. Oh, I forgot to adjust the trend. That's facts. 1976. Okay. Wait for it to break. We're just waiting for price to break. Pick a side. 19822. You'll never see how it looks from my place. My place. Leaving this way. Can't wait. You get your eyes to play. Only when you going through a phase. Look like we finna pick a side here, y'all. I'm short. Probably early. It's a little bit too late to take care of me. But still. As soon as I said I was short, I said I'll be early. I know I'll be early, but I've been there. I've been there. Tell me everything you think I wanna hear. So let me take care of you. This EMA will let us know if we're gonna be downtrodden for the rest of the week. That's that wow. If we break below the Dow wow and can hold below the Dow wow, we'll be on a downtrend for the week more than likely. I will be there. Yeah. Yeah. I wasn't there. That's one thing about the out and out plays too. When we reject last week's a level from last week, or when we accept a level from last week, the trend has spoken, at least for the day. Oftentimes, because in an out and out, up and up, I would be expecting a continuation up. Um, but in all of the times when that doesn't happen, there's oftentimes a last week's level that we reject that makes it do the opposite of what I expect. So today I would have been expecting to go long, but because we rejected last week's high, I switched my bias. We rejected last week's high, and now we're below pre-market low. High maintenance on. Approaching yesterday's value area high. So we're getting back into yesterday's value area where most of the trades took place. Excuse me. You got the whole dollar number 19.9 right there below. There should be some buyers coming in down there. Yeah, this is supposed to be a down week because we got quad witching, which is all the expirations happening at the same time. We got the full moon cycle coming up. Um, and we just came off of a crazy week. We should be pulling back, Things got a little overheated. We're hitting psychological numbers like 20,000 for the first time. 20,000, 25,000, 19,000. We haven't actually hit 20,000 though until we hit like 20,258.50, I think. Something like that. So it looks like we touched it, but like if I go to the actual September expiration, I can see 24. It shows it, but if we go to the June, this is the June one. On the June one, we have not touched it yet. See? Yo, big ass in that sundress. Ooh, good guy. And remember when Drake and Kendrick made music together at one time? Those 2 times? Way back. And okay, we got some buyers coming in right above 19.9. Off the value area high. Probably get counter trend move. Go retest pre-market lows, levels. Retest my entry price probably. Maybe even retest that gray EMA. We'll see. So now we just wait, y'all. So that's all trading is. I waited the first 15 minutes for an entry. I waited the first 15 minutes for it to develop a picture. I waited a couple more minutes for an entry. And now I'm waiting however long it takes to get an exit. Mm-hmm. A little loud. I'm saying a little loud. Take it down. Down a notch. You can get it. You can get it. You can get it. Get it. Poetic justice. I didn't even check the news. See if we got any news today. No news. No news, but regardless, we know at 10 o'clock the market maker is going to start making markets for the heavy dollars. So that's when the real move probably will begin. This over here. All my metrics is messed up for the whole week now because of this rollover. My last week's level, my automatic last week's level, my automatic levels are all messed up because of the rollover. Last week's high, last week's low, last week's mid, all of that, all of the automatic ones cooked, and my last month's levels now until next month, except for the ones that I manually put in because I can go in and change those. See, there goes this retest of pre-market low, like I said. Let's see if the sellers are gonna step back up between here and yesterday's high, last week's high. Everything I got. And you do like this. Seller stepping back up. South Central Line. South Central Line. South Central Line. Come on, do something. Yeah, you want to see if the buyers. The new range is, I say 1940, 19940, and 19910. Buyer stepping up back down there off that value area high. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Okay, pushing back above pre-market low. 3 minutes left in this candle. My peace of mind. What did you say, Rita? All right, we back at yesterday's high, back at the weekly levels, back at the great, back where we know the sellers are, the selling block, the supply level. I wonder how they wrote songs back then. What comes first, the melody, the music, the words, the lyrics? You got this whole band basically behind you. You write down the words and then figure out how to say like what. I don't know. I'll have to watch a documentary on it. What? Back at these gray levels, let's see if these sellers are still up here. Like a natural. Right off that thou wow. See that? Told you. Told you this was gonna be the level. The speaker knockers? It is. No, it is. Dumb question. o'clock candle opening up. Either market makers buying or selling. I'll be just. This nigga had the streaks on lock. Stop it. Quit it. Cut it out. Catch up. Go around, get laid out. Flexing, we're flexing, flexing and finessing. Ooh, flexing and finessing. I'll be flexing and finessing, I'll be flexing and finessing, I'll be flexing and finessing. Trying to reject this level, these last week's level, yesterday's level, up here. But we'll see. Need to see some continuation. Oops, that's too much. That's way too much. I'm flexing and finessing. Flexing and finessing, I'll be flexing and finessing. I'll be flexing and finessing. Pretty big flexor. Pretty big finesser. Pretty big flexor, right? Finesser. What I hope is sad. Where your focus at? I would rather shoot before I run. It's becoming a battle again up here in this region. Looking like the sellers are trying to take back control up here, but they're not very, very forceful with it yet. Wow. They're not being forceful with it right now. Not like they smacking this bitch back down. Oh. 58. Yeah. Stupid ass nigga, you can't fade us. I would rather shoot before I run. Pressure on my shoulder, weight of time. Need to see those sellers come up, step up here. Buyers trying to force their hand. Sellers got to be more forceful than that. Y'all just asking to get stopped out. I'm getting stopped right here. I'll tell you when it's easy. I'm still short bias though. Unless we break the high of that first 15-minute candle at the bell. Like I said, I was probably just early. Need to see the seller step up here. Short. Short. Beat up. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Alright, let's snuff it up. Ooh. Hey. Ha. Where the sellers at? Where the sellers at? Where the sellers at? Where the sellers at? And I need you. Who needs sorry when there's Hennessy? To be true. Burning. Pushing. Where are the sellers? I was too wild. I was too wild. I was too wild. I need you now. Other kind of preach and retreat, y'all. Corny lines I wish I never had to listen to again, too. Kanye, I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, so we see who's in control now. Looks like we want to tag 20K. There goes some sellers. Okay, finally. It's been so calm lately. Love is just a word. He said he knew not enough. See if the sellers are still up here. I swear I'll be on my best behavior when it's way forward. Time after, if you're my baby, it's all so crazy. Call me crazy as long as you know my name. Not nearly enough selling up here, huh? A? Y'all don't say A over there, do y'all? That's some Canadian shit. A boot. Shout out to boot. Look at you talking about that. Paranoia. You don't like me. You like the idea of me. You don't know me. Yet. It's been so calm. Love is just a word. So tell me what you gonna do. Not around. A 15-minute candle. And we closed above last week's high. We might go up. Probably go up. That was a hurdle we needed to break. I must admit I am that nigga. I must admit I am that nigga. I got big homies in prison. I don't, but he do. Like Chevy's on the switches. Babes is on the women. And then we go out to eat. Wow, cool. That's crazy too. Okay, that's what's up. I don't have that. I don't have that either. Okay. Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah. 100,000. I must admit I am that nigga. The verdict is in. I must agree. I am that nigga. Alright, I'm stopping out of this trade. So now we looking for longs. That's fucking crazy. They looking new. A nigga move. I got it away. I got it there. Oh, there go the sellers. You expect me to believe that? $100,000 when I pull up with it. Wow. That's dirty work right there. You see how they just did me? They stopped the boy out to the T. To the tizzy, boy. Top dog. And then 12 minutes left in the no. Okay. If you got it with it, no. Yeah. You already know what we on now. 30-30 back in effect. Oh, I should change this too. My life's in high definition. With your ears. No intermission. My life's in high definition. It's more like a re-up. Roll in one hand, while the other hand throw the piece up. Other hand throwing me without the up. I got a something like Shiva. I was talking that shit I knew back then. That's what's up. Nah, that ain't wrong. Nah, that ain't strong. You better tell him. Chicago bitch. Chicago man. I don't need no intermission. My life's in high definition. A rider and a nigga that I ride with. You can't hide it. Why you coming up, Joe? Yeah, I'ma keep you alive, kid. Dressed in something so fresh and wonderful. FN, double O. And still, my life's in high definition. Wide open with your ears. Loopy is Snoopy, let's go wild. Tiptoe through the dope, do a doggy style. Recital is very homicidal. The big screen will capture it because it's high definition. See? You better get it quick fast. Bitch ass. Especially when a nigga know your real name. Blam blam with the blam. Smile nephew, you on candid camera. Dressed in something so fresh and wonderful. FN, double OP. Ugh. There go the sellers I was looking for. I'm a buyer though. Na, 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 na. Last 8 minutes of the stream here. Last 8 minutes of this final 15-minute candle of the stream. Wasn't really getting no attention. Tour from the show. I would mumble. No, again. I want to understand. So much of that. Forgot about this song. I gotta listen to this album again. It's so good. Baby, been good all summertime. Good all summertime. Treat you best, baby. Deal with 'em. Mm. and not got some love in there. Baby, cause sometimes you take bad side.